A Carnot engine is working between 127 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. The increase in efficiency will be maximum when the temperature of, we have 4 different options. So this is T1 and this is T2, temperature of source and that of the sink. Converting them to Kelvin. T2 is 300 Kelvin, T1 is 400 Kelvin. Now, what is the formula for efficiency? Efficiency is 1 minus of T2 by T1, or it is T1 minus T2 by T. We have to just find out in which case this particular fraction is very high. Let's start with A. The source is increased by 50, right? That means T1 increases by 50. So efficiency in this case is 400 plus 50 minus T2 is 300 by T1 is 400, which would be how much? 150 by 400, which is 15 by 40. Now let's look at option B. The sink is decreased by 50, okay? So T1 is 400 minus sink decreased by 50 means 300 minus 50 whole divided by 400, which would be 250. This is, sorry, in the earlier case, please make this change. This is still not 400, right? This will be 450. So this will be 15 by 45. And over here, we get 150 by 400, which is 15 by 40. Option C. Source is increased by 25 and that of sink is decreased by 25, which implies eta equals to 425 minus 275 divided by 425, which would be how much? 150 by 425. Option D is both source and sink are decreased by 25, which will make it as 100 by 375. So in which case the fraction is very high. This can be written as 15 by 42.5, right? This can be written as 15 by 375 into 0.15, right? So it looks like in case of B, this particular fraction is very high when compared to all these three because numerators are same. So denominator, whichever is lower, that will have the highest efficiency. So from here we can say that option B is the right one, isn't it?